When installing your car seat off base, you have two installation methods. Our preferred method is the European routing. European routing refers to when the shoulder belt is wrapped around the top of the car seat and the lap belt goes over the car seat. While this method is called European routing, it is recommended for use in the US. You're going to want to start off by making sure your car seat is level, checking the level indicator on the side of the car seat, and then taking the vehicle seat belt and taking the shoulder belt and wrapping it around the top of the car seat and passing the shoulder belt through the belt guides. Then buckle in your seat belt and take your lap belt and pass it through the clips on both sides of the car seat. Once you have done that, make sure you pull the seat belt all the way out of the retractor to engage the locking mechanism and let it feed back in. Push down on the car seat and pull on the shoulder strap to tighten the car seat into the car. Continue pushing and pulling until the car seat is installed nice and snug and does not move more than 1 inch at the belt path.